We were walking the streets of Spain in Barcelona.
But the weather's really nice. You know that?
It is really nice.
It's not hot at all. It's pretty good.
Yeah.
We're heading to the arena. It's like a mall.
Yep.
We're going shopping.
Maybe.
Ooh, feel that breeze.
Feels good.
If we can find it.
We're gonna cross the street.
Okay.
Just for Dad.
Dada?
Yeah.
Maybe that means something else.
Yeah.
I can't. I would totally doubted Jim's navigational skills because I've known his shortcuts, but he actually got us straight to the arena.
Yeah, it's amazing.
Without any problems. That's weird. Jim did it.
We got this walking thingy over here.
Oh, that's cool.
Oh wow. How many levels is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Wow. There's food downstairs.
There's food down there.
They treated us so good at the hotel. Before we even checked in, they gave us breakfast.
I know. And coffee.
Unless they even have players.
They do.
That's crazy.
Just like in the States.
It's crazy. They're flash.
Yep.
Walk this way.
Oh, cotton candy machine.
I have no euro.
Level 2. Right? We're just going up. I don't think there's anything on this level. Movies. Movies?
Cinema. Yeah.
Cinema. Level 3 has some food. But we're going up.
The view is supposed to be fantastic.
Fantastical. Well, we made it to the top. And
Wow. Pretty view.
oh wow, it is pretty view. Look at that.
This is like perfect because we didn't want to do too much today.
Right?
And it's a short walk and we get some food maybe. It looks like grocery stores on the first one.
Does.
We'll go look around. Food's downstairs.
Walk around up here and see.
I'm gonna take that and film you a little bit too now. This can't be all me.
I like it.
Good stuff.
Yeah, it is good stuff. Nice little walk from the hotel. It's only like 4 or 5 blocks.
Yeah, we ran it because Jim was paranoid and started walking very fast. So far, so good. I know, it's good. It's good, baby. Say it's good.
It's good.
It's good.
All good. Look at the policeman. Should I yell at him?
No, policemen don't care around here from what I understand.
Oh,
Okay. Watch your step.
Watch your step. Don't bang your legs or anything.
Hey, pigeon.
Look at that.
Just a short day today.
Yeah. Taking it easy.
Last cruise was like almost every day was like something. It
cool
was
looking
9
car.
days of insanity, wasn't it?
It was. It was go, go, go.
It was a go, go, go 9 days. So, taking a little break.
At least it's not 100 degrees out.
Yeah, I don't think I can deal with another 100-degree day.
No. That would hurt.
Pizza? I've had enough pizza, sir. Yep, everything's marked out. Rooftop, near 60.
might be busy.
Yeah. Too busy for you? You got a Lush?
Oh yeah.
They're everywhere.
Yeah, it is.
Took us a while to find the down, huh?
Yeah, no. They kind of haven't hit.
Kinda.
Oh, we can go farther down.
Yeah.
I don't know. It might be.
Nope.
No, that's...
So we just go in that way.
Alright, we'll get it figured out.
Uh-huh.
We got all day.
Do we?
I guess so.
Birthday cake stuff. Cookies?
Oh yeah.
You want cookies?
We gotta get cookies.
Okay. Sure you don't want fish?
Sure, we'll get some fish.
Okay, you can cook it in the room, in the
In the
espresso.
bathroom? Nespresso in the
Yeah.
bathroom?
Cocktail ice. Can't get nothing frozen. Carrots. I've been wanting fresh vegetables for so long.
So far, not too bad. Pretty good looking stuff. I bet we could take those on the cruise.
There's chicken, salami, and I don't know.
Beef?
Maybe. You want to try each?
Yeah.
Or should you get two of each, sister?
Yeah, there's...
You want to get two?
Yeah. And a giant chorizo.
Do you want a giant chorizo?
Oh, I can gnaw on that for the whole week.
Oh, okay.
Sound like a plan?
That sounds like a plan.
Yeah. These are huge.
I got two nuts there.
Gigantic. Oh yeah.
My favorite.
Grocery store is really cool. You got the grocery store in the food court.
It was like $35 for everything too. That wasn't bad.
And it was... So,
Smile. You're getting food.
I am getting food.
So we're getting a little bit of everything. Share and a drink. Not to share drinks though.
We don't?
No.
I got an espresso martini.
Ooh.
Yeah. Maybe that'll help me pep up a little bit more.
Maybe. And I got ginger passion fruit alcohol drink. I think it was alcohol. It's gonna be good.
Nom nom nom.
And it's a beautiful day today.
Yeah.
No, it's the language you understand the most.
Yeah, see.
It's Spanish. Say gracias. Not gra. Oh, you are in Spain now. It's Spanish.
I'll figure it out.
Mine looks good. Taste yours. Is it good?
That is good. It has cane sugar.
Mine's good too. Jim didn't take the camera, so I tried it. It was good. Jim's on strike. Strike.
Not yet.
Touch the fruit. That's the tomato bread, which everybody says you gotta try, but I think we tried it already in one of our stops.
Maybe, I don't remember.
Yes. The ham, the cheese. I don't know what that is. Fried olives.
Walnuts.
Try fried olives. Hot.
Hot.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Okay. I don't like olives.
Uh-oh.
You deep fry anything, it tastes good.
They're good. I like regular.
I don't know. Yeah. Okay. We're gonna dig in. Try a piece of ham. And we're gonna eat these deep fried olives. Jim.
They're different.
Very different. They kind of remind me of how, like, the U.S. they deep fry pickles.
Mm-hmm.
It's kind of like...
Almost the same texture.
Mm-hmm. This ham is fantastic.
I'm trying to figure out what this is.
Mm-hmm. I saw it at the grocery store. I wasn't sure what it was. Why is the bill called a check?
I know.
You ask for the check, get the check.
Yeah.
But it's actually a bill you have to pay. A check.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Usually you get paid with a check.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Look at KFC.
It's fake.
Kentucky Fried Chicken in Spain. Intercontinental.